This morning I realized that I've been influenced not only by the YouTube influencers, but also as a result of my son and his wife. My son has a YouTube channel, Ideal Auto Factory. His Instagram is Mechlovin. My daughter, his wife, has an YouTube channel, Tanesha, and they've influenced me. They influenced me at some time to do the Christmas videos, Vlogmas, and now they've influenced me to purchase some things from their website. I'm going to share that website with you, as well as some products that I purchased from them. I call these two the power couple. They are certainly go-getters, and I am so proud of them. So Joshua and Tajanelle, Mommy is so proud of you. Just keep on doing what you're doing. I really appreciate you. So subscribers, check out their website, see if there's anything that you're interested in. They are my children, the children of Gene G, and I love them so, so much. As my son would say, keep God first. Have a great day. Good afternoon. I am here to do a quick unboxing. Of some products that I purchased. But before I do that, let me say thank you, subscribers. Thank you so much for your support of me and this channel. I really appreciate you. I am Gene G, and if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, then what are you waiting on? Come along and join the Gene G family, where we talk about Sisterlocks, family, friends, faith, and all things positive. If that's something you're interested in, join the Gene G family by clicking on the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know every time I upload a video. My husband and I were a part of a business many moons ago. And we have had the opportunity to be able to purchase some products that we at one time would sell. And I am excited about being able to show you what we purchased. I thought this company was no longer around. I thought it was obsolete and no longer exists. But it does, and they're still doing well. So I'm going to do the unboxing right now, and I will provide a link to where you can purchase these products. And some of you may be familiar with this company. Amway. Now, the biggest thing that I'm interested in finding in my box that I purchased is the laundry detergent. Now, in previous years, I would have purchased the powder detergent. They did not have the liquid detergent, but I was so glad that I could purchase this product in liquid form. I cannot tell you how well it did for us, in that everything that we washed was cleaned. This is a great laundry detergent. I sure hope that the quality is as good as it was in the past. Now for my husband, we ordered this XX vitamin package, I'm going to call it. And it's the ultimate dietary supplement. Now this will be new to us, but this is what he chose to try. And I'm hoping that it works well for him. XX. The ultimate dietary supplement. It's gluten-free. It has vitamins and minerals, 22, and 22 plant concentrates. Okay, and I purchased a Balance Within probiotic. It supports immunity and healthy digestion. And this is for me. If anybody's going to have an issue with digestion, it will be me. And they come in these little individual packets that you can put in your drink. So this will be new for me, and I'll let you know in a later video just how it works. This is a pre-wash spray that I decided to purchase and try out. Amway Home Pre-Wash Spray. More vitamin for cholesterol health. And these are flavor packets that should help me to drink more water. I think I drink enough water, but sometimes I think about my day and the day goes by and I have not had no more than 2 bottles of water. And they are usually 8-ounce bottles, the small bottles, because I like to drink the water straight down and get it down. So I'm going to be adding these flavor packets to my water in order to drink more water. My question is, if you add something to your water, is it still just water? Question. We'll see. And that is what I purchased from Amway. I was just surprised that a business that I was in my 20s is still going strong. And if that's the case, it must have good reason to still be going strong. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. But I especially love God because he's been so good to me. He's been better to me than I could be to myself. Because I realized that he is able to do exceedingly and abundantly above all that I could ask or think. Enjoy your day. Thank you for watching. Good evening. This is my second package from Amway. Now, I knew about the quality of the products of Amway. And when I did my first order, there were some things that was not in stock. And so I went back in when I found out that they were in stock, and it has arrived. I mean, this shipment is so quick. So this that I just picked up is the all fabric bleach from Amway. I'm looking forward to using that. As a matter of fact, I'm doing laundry this evening. Another thing that I ordered from Amway, and I'm only ordering those things that I know that I can use and I expect great results from everything. So I've ordered the automatic dish tablets, and that just came in. And in my previous package, I ordered some twists to go. And these were flavored packets that added something to the water. And I decided that multiple pack just didn't have enough of what I wanted. And so I went back in and I searched the website and I found some of the same products, but they were packaged separately. So I have the twist tubes to go for immunity health in strawberry kiwi flavored, and it comes in its own box. I also ordered the raspberry flavor for joint health for my husband in its own box. And it includes 20 twist tubes. And I am going to share that website with you in the description box so you can go in and take a look at it. It will be the website for Joshua and Tajanelle Goodwin. And then for antioxidant health, I have the mango citrus flavor. And it's an excellent source of vitamin A and C. And this is the twist to go that tastes sort of like Tang. If you are from my generation, or you may be from a generation afterwards, you may remember Tang. And this has that flavor. That is all that I've purchased at this time. I do know that there are some other products that I'm interested in. I'm going to take a look at it, and I may order them in a couple of weeks. Thank you for watching this video. And if you're interested in any of these products, just go to the description box and use that link to go to the website for Joshua and Tajanelle Goodwin. Thank you for watching. Have a great evening.